70 seconds.
SSC, hydraulics internal.
Internal.
T-minus 60
We're
seconds.
at T-minus 1 minute and counting.
Range is green.
LC, T-minus 60 second limits on.
On. Water flow.
Ranges go, weather
45.
go.
LC, launch enable of flight.
Flight.
ATC 3, main power disable on.
On. 100% lux.
35.
Hydraulics are go.
30.
T-minus
Status
30
check.
seconds.
Go Delta. Go SMAP.
20.
T-minus 15 seconds. Green board. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engines start and liftoff of the Delta II rocket with SMAP, making global observations of soil moisture for climate forecasting.
Solids. Good chamber pressure on the main engine. Good chamber pressure on both vernier engines. Good chamber pressure on all three solids. 27 seconds into the flight. Coming up 46 seconds, still looking good. 50 seconds in, Mach cube. Vehicle now having maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. 57 seconds. Chamber pressure beginning to decline on the solids, as expected. And we have burnout of the solids. We'll be holding on to those solids for about 30 more seconds to assure a safe water impact point. 1 minute, 12 seconds into the flight. Still looking good. One minute, 25 seconds. Chamber pressure holding in the main engine and in both verniers. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Standing by for separation. And we have separation of the solid rocket motors. The Delta II vehicle now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch, expelling propellant at the rate of 799 pounds per second. 1 minute, 55 seconds in. Two minutes, 5 seconds in. Chamber pressure continuing to hold on the main engine and on both verniers. Two minutes, 17 seconds in. Good engine control in the first stage. Little engine corrections are needed in either the main engine or both verniers. Passing 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Vehicle continuing to accelerate. Passing Mach 5. Vehicle going in excess of 5 times the speed of sound at 2 minutes, 55 seconds in. Up on the 3 minute mark. 3 minutes into the flight. Chamber pressure continues to hold very well in the first stage on the main engine and on both verniers. 1 minute and 10 seconds left in first stage flight. Three minutes, 20 seconds in. Still looking good. Engine and chamber pressure and vernier chamber pressures continues to hold. Passing 3 minutes, 38 seconds into the flight. Engine control continues to look good in the first stage. A little engine movement necessary. Very good ride. Passing 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Three minutes, 58 seconds into the flight. This is the area where we reach a maximum skin temperature, and we have about 20 seconds remaining until main engine cutoff. Four minutes, 15 seconds in, still looking good. Standing by for cutoff. And we have main engine cutoff. Standing by for vernier cutoff. And we have vernier cutoff. Standing by for stage sep, and we have stage separation. And standing by for ignition of the second stage. And second stage chamber pressure is increasing. Good chamber pressure on the second stage, a good steady burn. Standing by for the fairing jettison, scheduled just a few seconds from now. And we have fairing jettison. Flight events occurring close to their anticipated time. We're passing 5 minutes and 7 seconds into the flight. Second stage burn continues to look good. Chamber pressure holding rock solid. Good engine control on the second stage. This first burn of the second stage is expected to last about 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Five minutes, 44 seconds into the flight, about 4 minutes, 57 seconds remaining in this first burn of the second stage. We're passing 6 minutes, 8 seconds into the flight. Everything appears to be looking good. 4 minutes, 25 seconds remaining in this first burn. We will have 4 second stage engine burns, 2 prior to the deployment of our first spacecraft, SMAP, the major payload for the mission, and 1 short burn prior to deployment of our 3 pico satellites. 6 minutes, 40 seconds in. Coming up on the 7-minute mark. Mark, 7 minutes into the flight. Still looking good. Upper stage engine control is excellent. Good chamber pressure, very stable in the second stage. Very shortly, we'll be commanding the command receiver decoders off.
We're about 3.5 minutes away
command
from going into our coast phase after the second stage shuts off.
Over 3 minutes remaining on this first burn.
And we have acquisition of signal through TDRS.
8 minutes into the flight now, all continuing to look good. Chamber pressure continuing to hold very good in the second stage. Second stage engine control also good at this time. Eight minutes, 25 seconds into the flight. Still looking good. 2 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in the first burn. Now 8 minutes 44 seconds in, under 2 minutes remaining in this first burn. Trajectory seems to be going exactly on track. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining in the burn. Burn continues to look stable. Chamber pressure is good. Now 1 minute 30 seconds remaining on the burn as we're approaching 9 minutes and 20 seconds mark into the flight.
Second stage will cut off 10 minutes 43 seconds into the mission. For a coast phase, 40 minutes 54 seconds in duration.
Delta flight commentary now at 9 minutes 44 seconds, 1 minute remaining in the burn. Mission events occurring fairly close to their expected times. 44 seconds remaining in the burn. Now 30 seconds remaining in this first burn, and we're standing by. Chamber pressure expected to decline very slightly, as it is doing. About 15 seconds remaining on the burn. We're standing by now for SECO 1, the first shutdown of the second stage. And we have shutdown. SECO 1 has occurred. Electric system pressure is dropping as expected. 11 minutes, 8 seconds into the flight. The second burn of the second stage is scheduled to occur a little over 40 minutes, 30 seconds from now. Very shortly, we'll be starting our first roll, pitch, and yaw program. This is Delta flight commentary at 12 minutes, 12 seconds into the flight. All continues to look good at this time. The second burn of the second stage should occur about 51 minutes, 38 seconds into the flight.
Tim Dunn, our NASA launch manager, also confirms all the data he has seen come into his console. All looks good for the flight so far on the Delta II.
Now passing 12 minutes, 47 seconds in. "13 minutes, 3 seconds into the flight, about 38 minutes, 33 seconds remaining until the second burn of the second stage.
This is Delta Launch Control. We're now 13 minutes 45 seconds into the SMAP mission aboard the Delta II. We're in the planned coast phase for the second stage.